Health, Safety and Environment Policy Statement. When it comes to health and safety practices, we have clearly documented systems in place and are committed to exceeding regulatory and legislative requirements following ISO 4801:2001 Occupational Health and Safety Management Systems. We take employee safety seriously and have numerous integrated procedures in place to ensure all staff members comply with our rigorous health and safety practices. We believe that it is the duty of employees to challenge unsafe work practices and environments, and we support this philosophy with a continuing awareness program. Both management and staff are involved in the development, implementation, and review of policies and procedures in order to identify hazards and control risks. Secure Supplies invites your discuss and participation in the hydrogen industry. Join today. www.secure.supplies